But you met MyLynh and everybody in the office yet? Come on.
Yes, I have.
You met Pam yet?
I haven't met Pam.
Yeah, let's go meet everybody. He hasn't met Pam as yet. You know, the one and only Pam can't hang. Pam.
You gotta talk about tick bomb. You know I talk about tick bomb. You talk about tick bomb.
Tick. But the queen of all thickness is sitting right over there. Is almost ready. Timing is finally set.
Ready to go.
Ready just to put the valve cover on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the valve cover on.
Grill,
Clean it up.
intake, alternators hooked up. All that's done. All right.
Eat the gasket.
Valve cover is on. It's almost time, guys. You take my info, some small things, and let's go. Rosario's in the house. What's up? What's up, man? Here we go.
Just put coolant in it, and then we can do 15 startup.
Put some what? Coolant? Really, the cat? The new one?
I got one. I got a new one. I got a brand new one. I got a brand new one. Let me get my brand new one.
Are we putting the coolant in first?
Yeah, yeah. Can you grab the coolant? Look at that.
Got everything. You know exactly where it was.
Look at that.
I was able to find that mug. Alright, startup time. Everything's topped up. Everything top up.
Yeah. You're doing no.
1.1.
Yeah, no.
We're putting the Gretty radiator cap in there.
1.1.9. Oh man.
A little more pressure.
Yeah.
That's why I make it faster.
Oh, it doesn't work. That's an EG. Oh well, I guess we're gonna have to clean it.
Overnight from Japan. Paul Harry's.
Or just grab one off Hawa Scar quick.
No, we're good. No one looks.
Oh man, how the hell you put a funnel in here to dump this? You need like one of the tube funnels to go
Yeah,
around.
let me get this tunnel.
Don't kick our coolant over, TK. We're gonna start this bad boy up today.
And then where we're gonna go?
We're gonna go get some pho for lunch.
Oh.
Yep.
You already come through. And shift them
Rolling
gears,
through in the
bro.
Acme.
I wonder if that little sticker came with it.
Yeah, that's JDM, right? What? 5-speed. Not no 4-speed like our Nissan Atlas truck was. So
Right.
hopefully maybe we can, instead of doing 55, maybe this one will do like 65.
65.
Yeah. So we can keep up with a little bit of traffic on the interstate.
Yeah, well, this one's gonna open up.
What's that? Is that whole piece from it?
Yeah.
Hey, what if we find a 3-cylinder just like this in Japan that has a VTEC head? Oh, we do. Oh,
No, we're gonna do a little turbo swap on it.
Or turbo.
Uncle Tom's already talking about a turbo kit.
Yeah, we're gonna do a turbo change.
A turbo J in this?
Yeah.
You got a Phillips head?
Trying to do wheelies, man. Throw that bug in the back.
A JC would be pretty nice. Isn't it?
Yeah. And push it way down. Oh, well, you're gonna have to look at cover.
What the hell? Oh, that one's way back here.
Need a radio now.
We don't have one in here?
I don't know.
It has one. We just need the code from Japan.
Oh, how are you gonna get the code? You got connections over there?
This thing got a cassette player. Maybe they got a JDM cassette in there.
Oh, how the song go?
Huh?
Sing the song.
Oh, how's that Tokyo song go from Tokyo Drift? Wonder if you know. Fast and Furious.
Perfect.
Okay, someone hold it.
I got it.
Okay, you hold this, okay? Let me go make sure that there's coolant.
Just tell me when it starts coming out back
So
there.
you put that clamp on the bottom hose on there?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, it's overflowing out here already.
Is it?
Yep.
Is something leaking on the ground? I can hear it.
Yeah, it's up here coming out. It's overflowed.
Yeah.
They're coming out back there. It overflowed up here.
What the hell?
No, it's just like it filled up,
okay.
or it had an air pocket or something.
All right, hold on. Let me start that. Come on.
Oh, hold on. Hey, we're gonna start up. I can't hold this.
Yeah, I got it. It's
You
fine.
got it? Okay. There we go. Right up. Perfect timing, bro. There we go.
What is that?
What are you doing?
Turn it up.
Hey, it started right up. Another Honda started right up, right up.
That's just too smooth.
Put it down. There you have it, folks. There you have it.
So we put
Oh boy, we're gonna get full now.
Yeah, faux real.
Well, it's on the AC on. Let's take it work. Get that JDM cold. The JDM Freon. Oh snap.
Yeah?
Oh snap. Yeah, so it's getting cold right away.
No way.
What the heck? That's a real JDM. Let me smell it.
Hold it.
Oh, that's how Japan smell right there.
Everything.
Hey, smell it, dude. Smell the Japan Freon.
What?
The radio works. You finally have a car with a radio that works.
No way.
Got the wrong station. 76.7.
Put on scan. Let's put scan. With the antenna, we can raise the antenna up. Oh, the antenna right here.
76.7. I don't think we got that station.
Oh, the antenna doesn't go any higher. Dang, Siri. Let's drive this mug. Let's go.
Oh shit, no good.
What?
Look,
Smoking?
we're just smoking.
No, it's burning off. Burning off, man. It's burning off.
Hold on, it's not good.
Well, it started.
But it started.
It's good.
So
So we drove it around a little bit.
yeah, we drove around. It started going up. We noticed that the radiator fan wasn't working. So we're gonna try to tackle that next. Change out the fan.
Oh, the fan is
Well, we're
broken.
gonna see why it's not coming on. So.
Okay.
But we drove it. It's slow, but
It's fine. Got 5-speed. AC. No more smoke. Looking good.
turn down for what?
Turn down. Oh, nice, man. Super nice. Let me go sit. Let me sit in it now.
Right here.
Oh, I'm not driving. Not driving. Oh, let me try it out. There you hold this. All right. You know, I'm 7 foot. I'm 7 foot. I'm the mad room.
7 foot short.
Damn.
Let me see. Look at.
Let me see if you know. All right, I can yo, Jack, I can drive this. All the baby kids in the back. All right, cut. Oh, wait, keep it rolling.
Yeah,
Keep
I got you.
Yeah.
I'm rolling. Come on.
I don't
Go.
do that.
Oh, hold on.
see, hold on.
What you think about the truck? What you think about the truck? Huh?
So the suspension is it's like a VW bus. The VW bus, that's what it's like. So you can take some dips with this thing, some potholes and up and down, some dips.
We're gonna slam it.
Oh, slam it.
Yeah, we're gonna slam this thing.
Suspension. Yeah, it's nice, man. There you have it, guys. Like, subscribe. Giving it the last touch-ups.
Yeah.
Clean some carpet up, vacuum in, everything. Yo, we got Chris all the way from South Florida. He drove all the way.
What's going on?
What's up, man? What's up, man? Thanks for coming through.
Nice to meet you.
Picking up your drive shaft today.
Yes.
What car are you working on again?
It's a RT 4-wheel drive wagon.
Wagon. Okay, nice, man.
Yeah.
And this is the last piece of the puzzle right here.
That's the last big item part right there.
Well, what's your power bang probably gonna be like? You starting off low, then creep, or
We're gonna start off low.
feel it out?
I'd like to make at least 400. We're just gonna run it on gate because the motor that's in it now is a high compression motor.
Oh, okay, I see.
So I initially I'd built it as a NA build, and then I got rid of that chassis and then put it in this one.
So okay.
So just to keep things safe, we're just gonna run it on 10 psi.
You run a thick head gasket, or you didn't open it? It's
I
just
did not.
Did not. Okay. Sometimes high compression turbo motors be good. Sometimes.
Well, this one's a little bit high. This is
way up there.
This is 13 and a half.
13 and a half. Damn. So, with some boost or
with boost.
Oh, okay. You gotta be careful with that one. Okay, that's good though.
So I mean, hopefully, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep the timing, pull a bunch of the timing out, and and
just tune it. Who's gonna be
Heavy tune?
Heavy. Oh, Heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, and he knows it's type of person, I guess.
Yeah,
he's supposed to be here this weekend over here in Tampa.
He said he was gonna be down here on Tuesday. He was gonna be tuning some cars.
Yeah, I think it's like a FK meet or something. They're gonna be tuning.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's gonna be here.
But yeah, it was a pleasure meeting.
You met all the guys?
I haven't met any of the guys.
Come on, man, come here. We're all the same way. You see us on the YouTube the same way. This is Chad right here. Chris. That's Chris. And this is Jay.
Hello, Jay.
Samurai Jay.
I think we met already.
That's Mike.
What's up, man? What's going on, man?
Nice to meet you.
That's Omar.
How are you doing, Omar?
He eats avocados for a living.
So we see you pulled up in an all-wheel drive car, but where's the real all-wheel drive car?
It's at the house. This is just it's a daily
It's
driver.
a daily.
It's a daily driver.
That's Meno over there, right there. Alexa, off. And this is the guy that makes it all happen. The founding father, the one and only, the welder, the JIT. JIT, stand up, take a bow. Yeah, this shit right here.
How you doing? Chris, nice to meet you.
Yeah, JIT puts it down. All the welds you see in the world, that's him right there. The best welder ever, my best friend.
Very nice. Man.
Come on, Driveshaft ready. Right here. Driveshaft just showed up on time. Oh my God. Got beefy beef. Well, you're running the 30K or 60K?
It's an OEM.
Oh, 30K,
Viscous.
30K, okay.
This one.
That's the one right there.
Oh, this one, okay, nice. Oh, wagon. Oh, yeah, you're right, yeah.
Wagon everything.
Wagon everything.
Wow.
Yeah, man, looks
Very nice, very nice.
This is your old one. That should be the same length as that.
3
Look
inches.
at this different size.
Look at that 1310, baby. They're ready for putting it in a semi-truck, man.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, wish you all the luck.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, of course.
It's a pleasure meeting all of you guys.
Yeah, man.
Very happy
Pleasure meeting you.
It was highly anticipated to meet you guys. You got this thing done and stuff.
Yeah, we're just here, man. It's regular guys trying to make this thing happen. I think the all-wheel drive thing just
I always
bigger.
thought that the shop was bigger. So it's actually a pretty small
A
shop.
lot of people do. You should have seen where we
Yeah.
came from.
Yeah, we came from a small shop.
We literally, our shop was this wide, and it went back to about halfway.
That's
no
it.
way.
Shop.
Yeah, the first shop, and then this one, it's already small now. Oh, we got
Wow.
small. So yeah, we're just going through it bit by bit, making it happen.
Love it, man. I'm gonna have to get some merch before I leave, though, man.
Oh heck yeah,
Yeah,
man!
we'll be back in there.
Then I gotta waste money on the oceans and stuff. I'm gonna try that first and let's see how cheap I can get one from
Put this up.
TPA.
Yeah, because most of the time, I know on the Honda when it throws for taps, usually those too.
You putting the bolts in or gonna wait?
I'm gonna wait.
Drive it first.
Yeah.
Good to go. Test drive time.
All cleaned up, stick and span. Time of test drive. We're gonna do a little test. Let's go. Everybody's loaded up.
No.
Let's go. Got everybody in the back.
Hi, how you doing?
6 passengers.
Good, good.
Time to do a test drive. Test run.
Test drive,
How
look
you
at it.
feel? You gonna pop VTEC?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's pop it.
No, one tank of gas. Take it straight to Texas with this stuff.
All right, guys.
Like $6 to fill it up.
Yeah. change gear quick, man. Blow the horn. I made a JDM horn. It's nice. That's nice, guys. Like, subscribe. That's how we do it. We do these things all the time. To our cars only. Don't bring yours.
Yeah, we did a home remedy.
Like teleporting.
Yeah, but guys, it drives pretty good. Drives pretty good. It's good to go now. Now it's for sale. If you guys want it, let us know. 10K if you have it.
Look how clean it is though.
Very clean.
We got 3D printed cup holders.
Everything.
I thought this car was
What's that right there?
Alright, thank you for flying.
There you have it, guys.
Dad, can I learn how to drive in this
subscribe.
car?
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skills. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skills.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skills.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' wanna test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' wanna test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All-wheel gripping, four-wheel gripping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All-wheel gripping. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. The Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camera cord that's S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All-wheel gripping, four-wheel gripping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All-wheel gripping. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always